Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Bicycle Groupset Kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is SRAM GX Eagle 1x12 Speed Bicycle Groupset Kit. Specifications: brand name, SRAM. Model number, GX Eagle Dub. Gears, 12 speed. Material, alloy. Type, groupset. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleur. The item number 4 is ERX Bicycle Electronic Groupset Kit. Specifications: model number, ERX. Total capacity, 12S. Gears, 24 speed. Material, carbon fiber. Type, rear derailleur. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleur. Total capacity, 34T. As the item number 3 we've selected, Eagle 1x12 12-speed Bicycle Groupset Kit. Specifications: brand name, SRAM. Model number, SX Eagle. Total capacity, 50T max. Gears, 12 speed. Material, alloy. Type, groupset. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleur. The item number 2 is Shimano Tiagra 4700 Road Full Groupset Group. Specifications: brand name, Shimano. Model number, 4700. Use, road bicycles. Material, steel. Category, suit. Origin, JP Origin. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Shimano Ultegra R8020 Groupset. Specifications: brand name, Shimano. Model number, R8020 Groupset. Use, mountain bikes. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, suit. Origin, JP Origin. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.